tanks are just about ready to put in. I'm going to put something on top of them. I'm not sure what yet, so I can snug them up underneath the frame so they won't rattle around. I'm not just sure what I'm going to do just yet, but hopefully I'll have them in today and start the floor this afternoon sometime. These pieces of plywood I decided to put on top of the tanks. That way I can snug them up to under the frame where they can't jump around and vibrate too much. And, over tighten them. Just tight enough to snug it up so they can't move. Even though with the water in them they wouldn't move too much, but I would rather be on the safe side. And I'm going to be putting, this is oil base paint, so that'll keep a lot of the moisture out, and these will last as long as pretty much everything else does. Ever-present wind. Well, I've got the ply on top and it's glued down again, so this is I can raise this up to the frame and not put any pressure on the tank itself. All the fittings are in. This is the fill, vent, and drain, and this is the gray water, which will come from the sink area with a vent and a drain. All the holes are cut through. I'm ready to start. Here's my hanging brackets for the 20 gallon. So step by step we're getting there. Here's the tank ready to put up under, and those rods will go into the tangs and the tabs that I built and had welded in there. You've got a lock washer under here, plus Loctite on this one, so it shouldn't come off. It'll go up under there and snug it right on up to the frame to keep it from wobbling or anything, and that should do it. Now the fun part is getting it up there to get it in there. Getting ready to put the freshwater tank in, and being a one-man show, I have to be able to get this up to these mounting tabs by myself while holding it up and putting nuts on it to secure it. So I'll do some cribbing, which is putting blocks underneath, and raise it up a little at a time until I get really close, and then I can get the nuts started. Let's see how well it goes. You start building up your blocks. You get one side up, and then you get your other side up, and as you can see, we're getting closer. We're not there yet, but we're getting closer. We'll continue with blocks, these big ones, and then we'll go to smaller ones until we get really close. Wish me luck. Well, with some modification, it's in freshwater. I'm thinking this is going to be the toughest one because I had to go between the rails, and this will be up above the rail, and the drain will be down below the rail. Now I just got to tighten it up. Like I said, I had to make a few modifications. I'm not sure if I can put that 1/2 inch back in or not. I may have to go down to 1/4 to put on top, protect the top. But I'm going to tighten up and see where we're at. Just starting the cribbing to get my gray water tank up into place. Another set of blocks and maybe some 2x4s will do it. We'll soon see. And of course, got my supervisor, HD. Get it. Get it. Come here. His favorite thing to do. Out. Speak. Speak. Good boy. Sit. Down. He minds pretty good for an old man.